It's not uncommon in Excel that when you work with formulas, you often need to copy a formula down a column. And in this worksheet called Copy Down, we need to put in some formulas in column E. We've got a compensation column in column D. In column E, we're going to be calculating the new compensation. Everybody's going to get a 3.5% raise. Column E probably doesn't ultimately need to be this wide, but for the moment, let's make it wider so that we can see the formula better. There are multiple ways to write this formula. Certainly, one way is equal D2 times this amount. Now, many of you know that if we're going to be copying this entire column down, we need to make sure that this F1 remained constant or absolute. We can either manually put in dollar signs or simply press the function key F4. So if I were to press enter now, we would only have the amount of the increase, but we need to add that onto D2. And I'm not going to press enter because although that will complete the formula, it will move the active cell downward, so I'll press Ctrl plus enter. And that is an accurate amount. And to be even a bit more precise about this, what I should do here is round this, so we don't have any trailing pennies. Let's imagine that the rule is we don't have any pennies in our yearly salary, so putting a comma at the end and then 0, and we'll round that result. And there it is. Now we want to copy this down the column. Using copy and paste techniques is going to take forever. We have only 5 rows, but imagine if we had 1,000 rows. And dragging it this way, if you pardon the pun, is going to be a real drag to go down to 1,000 rows. So what do? Double click on the lower right hand corner. That's referred to as the fill handle. And as you drag this over, that thicker plus turns into a thin plus. Just double click and there it is. We're all set. So, a real time saver, double clicking to copy a formula down a cell.